This is Seagulls Word Study List number 2. Number 1, prepare. We had to prepare the food for the picnic. Number 1, prepare. Number 2, precedes. The trailer usually precedes the movie. Number 2, precedes. Number 3, afterthought. Putting out the trash was an afterthought, therefore it didn't get picked up. Number 3 is afterthought. Number 4, foretell. A palm reader is supposed to be able to foretell your future. Number 4 is foretell. Number 5, forethought. Her forethought was to take several vehicles. Number 5 is forethought. Number 6, prefix. Prefix are the letters that come before a root word. Number 6 is prefix. Number 7, postpone. They had to postpone the baseball game due to bad weather. Number 7 is postpone. Number 8, prehistoric. Dinosaurs are prehistoric animals. Number 8 is prehistoric. Number 9, foreman. A foreman is the boss on a construction site. Number 9 is foreman. Number 10, aftertaste. The sweet dessert had a very strange aftertaste. Number 10 is aftertaste. Number 11, forefathers. Our forefathers wrote the Constitution of the United States. Number 11 is forefathers. Number 12, predict. It is very difficult to predict what the weather will be like next weekend. Number 12 is predict.